Hello guys, this is the Thunder Tutorials from YouTube, and this video is brought to you by thundertutorials.com. This video is to teach mostly beginners on how to do very simple Flash animations within Adobe Flash. I will be teaching you two different types of animations, motion tween and frame-by-frame animations. I'll be going over both of them in this tutorial. So the first thing that you want to do is select a Flash file ActionScript 2.0. So I'm just going to draw a quick stick figure just to animate it, and I'll go over to the pencil tool. You can draw whatever you want, but I'm just going to draw a very simple stick figure just for the sake of this tutorial. My drawings are not very good. Long legs. So there is my person. I'll draw some hair. You can draw whatever you want, you can color whatever you want using the different tools, paintbrush, paint bucket tool, whatever you want. I'm going to color in the tongue red just to give it a little bit more color, and the hair color I'm going to give it blue. Okay, so this is my drawing that I am going to animate. Just to show you how it's basically done using frame-by-frame animations, I'm just going to animate one body part. I'm just going to animate his arm. So what you want to do is go up to where your frames are. As you can see, you only have one frame. I'm going to create a second frame. So click on this second frame, right click, and insert keyframe. Now since I'm going to animate the arm, you will want to delete the arm. So click on the arm and it will be selected. Make sure that you are on the selection tool, which is the darker arrow, and click the delete button on your keyboard. There goes his arm. To see where his arm was deleted, you can always use this tool in Flash called Onion Skin Outlines. Click that and it will show you where you deleted your arm, so you can use it as a reference. So now I'm going to go back to my pencil tool and draw a new arm, and I'm going to make it move up a bit. Now I'm going to create a third keyframe and do the exact same thing. Insert keyframe, select the arm, delete it, select the pencil tool, and draw a new arm. Now I'm going to move it down a bit, and I'm going to create a new keyframe, delete the arm, pencil tool. I'm going to do this same thing just a few more times. And insert keyframe. Remember, it's the selection tool, the dark arrow. And sometimes when you select your figure, it might select not the full arm because it might be not in a complete line. You might have to do it a few times, like what I just did. And now I'm going to move my arm back to where it was in 2 keyframes. So you can see that this onion skin outlines tool is actually very useful for reference. Okay, so I think this will be good for now. And I'm going to play the video now. Just go up to Commands, go to Control, then Test Movie. And right there is my animation using frame-by-frame animation. Now I'm going to show you motion tween. So basically with frame-by-frame animation, you're animating each individual frame or just having a bunch of different pictures which look slightly different each to create the illusion that something is moving. With motion tween, the object will actually be moving. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. I'm just going to delete everything and start new. So I'm just going to delete all my keyframes. I'll just create a new file, ActionScript 2.0, and I'm just going to show you, let's say I have this square. I'm going to show you a very simple motion tween. So I drew the square and it is on frame 1. I'm going to create a keyframe on like frame 15 or frame 20. Insert keyframe. On keyframe 20, I'm going to move this box down to this corner there. Now, in between the two keyframes, this is keyframe 1 where the box is over here, and keyframe 20 where the box is over here. Motion tween will make the box move by itself within the 20 frames to wherever I placed it on my next keyframe, which was keyframe 20. So anywhere in between the two keyframes, right click and click Create Motion Tween. So now when you test your movie, go up to Control, Test Movie, and there it is moving by itself, and I didn't have to create a whole bunch of frame by frame different animations. So this tutorial was brought to you by thundertutorials.com. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment. And if you're watching this on YouTube, feel free to post a video response of your own Flash animation, and it will automatically be posted. Thank you for your time.